In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js on Windows and set up Claude Code via the command prompt. We'll start by getting Node.js, which is required to run the Claude Code command line tool. Open your browser and go to the node.js website. On the home page, click Download, then choose the Windows Installer option. Your download will begin. Wait for it to finish before moving on. This gives you the runtime and package manager you'll need in the next steps. Next, head over to the Claude website, navigate to the section for Claude Code, find the advanced installation page, then scroll down until you see standard installation. There, you'll see a command provided for installing the tool. Click to copy that exact command. We'll paste it into the command prompt after we confirm Node.js is available on your system. Now open the Windows search bar and type command prompt. Open it. Then type node rv and press enter. You should see a version number appear, which confirms Node.js is set up correctly. If nothing appears or you get an error, close and reopen command prompt and try again. With Node confirmed, right-click in the command prompt window and paste the command you copied from the standard installation section, then press enter. Give it a moment to complete. This installs the Claude Code command. After installation, open File Explorer. Create a new folder by right-clicking, selecting New Folder, and then rename it to something meaningful for your project. Click into that folder to open it. At the top of the window, in the address bar, type cmd and press enter. This opens a command prompt directly in that folder, which is a handy way to keep your work organized. In this command prompt, type Claude and press enter. If a prompt appears asking for confirmation, choose yes and continue. Once the tool starts, type /login and press enter. This will guide you through the sign-in process. Follow the instructions shown on screen. To fully use the tool, you'll need an active subscription. If prompted, purchase a subscription to complete setup and unlock access. That's it. You've downloaded Node.js, installed Claude Code, using the standard command, verified your setup, created a working folder, and started the login process.